Welcome back. Problem 3.37. So statement is the aluminum rod BCG is 26 gigapascal is bounded to brass rod ABG is 39 gigapascal. Knowing that each rod is solid and has diameter of 12 millimeter, determine the angle of twist at B and C. So you can see this is aluminum rod and this is brass rod that is joined at point B, and a torque of 100 Newton into meter is applied. The length of aluminum rod is 300 while brass having length 200 millimeter. So you have to find the angle of twist theta B at point B and at the end C. So let's start with the solution. Now you can see that this torque is applied 100 Newton, which is counterclockwise, so it will be remain same for aluminum as well as brass. And if you want to calculate the reaction torque at A, so it will be opposite to this 100 Newton into meter. This will be counterclockwise, so this will be clockwise. Rest in rod, in both portion of rod, some things are common which I will write both portion. So first thing is that diameter is given, DAB is equal to DBC is given as 12 millimeter. So radius or CAB will be equal to CBC will be equal to 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6 millimeter, and 6 millimeter is 0.006 meter. Now we will find the J, which is polar moment of inertia for both the rod, and that is equal to pi by 4 C power 4. So for rod both radius are same, so I will just put the value of C pi by 4 into 0.006 power 4, and that will give you 2.03575 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter power 4. And torque in each rod will remain same, that will be equal to 100 Newton into meter, because this is applied and it will be transmitted till point A, and at point A we will be having a reaction torque which is clockwise and will be equal to 100 Newton into meter. Now what we will do is that we will first move for rod AB, and we will find the angle of twist at point B. So we will find theta B. So theta B, angle of twist at point B, or angle of twist between A and B will be equal to torque into length AB divided by G into J. So G for AB. Clear? So torque is 100, length of AB is 200 millimeters, so 200 into 10 raised to power minus 3 divided by G. G for rod AB is 39 gigapascal, so 39 into 10 raised to power 9 multiply by J, which is 2.03575 into 10 raised to power minus 9. So when you calculate it, you will get angle of twist at point A, point B, or angle of twist between B and A will be equal to 0.25191 radian. As we know that 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. So we need the theta in degree. So 1 radian will be equal to 360 divided by 2 pi, and that is 180 degree over pi. So 1 radian is equal to this. So theta B will be equal to 0.25191 multiplied by 180 degree divided by pi. And when you calculate this, angle of twist at point B will comes out to be 14.43 degree. So this is the answer of our part first. Now we will move toward for rod BC. For rod BC, we will find theta BC. Clear? Theta BC. So theta BC is equal to torque into length of BC divided by G of BC into J. So torque is 100, length is BC is 300. Clear? So you can just put the value 300 into 10 raised to power minus 3, because that is 300 is millimeter, divided by G. G is given as 26 gigapascal for BC. So 26 into 10 raised to power 9 multiplied by J, which is 2.03575 into 10 raised to power minus 9. So when you calculate, you will get theta BC will be equal to 0.56679 radian. We will not convert it into degree. Why? Because you can see torque at theta at point C will be equal to angle of twist between B and C plus angle of twist between A and B. So we will add theta at point C is theta BC plus theta AB or BA. So theta BC is 0.56679 plus theta AB or BA is 0.25191 radian. And when you add, it will give you 0.81870 radian. This is theta C. Now 0.81870 multiplied by 1 radian is 180 divided by pi. Clear? So you will get theta C, which will be 46.9 degree. So angle of twist at point C will be 46.9. It means that this free end will twist 46 degree at point C. And that was all about problem 3.37. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned from it. Those who are new to my channel, then subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notification about my latest video. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching.